You'll need an account to use the eQuoting system, so let's go to the site and sign up. Be sure to fill out all the information, including the preferred system of measure and language. Be sure to check the terms and conditions and click the Submit button. Once your account is approved, you'll receive an email with your password. Then you can log in. Log in with your email and password and then create your first quote request by clicking the New Quote button. Add a product you want quoted by clicking the Add Item button. Choose the product by selecting various features you want through the drop-down menus. Be sure to enter the quantity desired. Click the Search button to find matches. Click on the product you want and click Select. This adds the product to the quote request. Follow the same steps to add additional products to the request. Once you have your products, click the Submit Quote Request to get the quote. Double-click the quote record to view the product pricing and amounts on hand. If desired, generate a PDF of the quote for your records by selecting the Quote Record and then clicking the Generate Documents button. In the dialog, check the quote and click OK. The quote PDF is generated and displayed. When done, log off the system by clicking the Log Out button. Congratulations and thanks from all of us at Great Plains Stainless.